is up, YouTube? So there are a few scenarios that I'd like to see play out today. Okay. And yeah, I'm about to start live trading, but let me just show you. So we have this 4-hour swing high. Okay, price never inversed this daily bearish gap right here. As you can see, it was never inverse. So right, there are a few scenarios. Okay, first scenario is we sweep this swing high, put in some SMT, and then we dump off the face of the earth to this short-term low, and then this weird wick, and then this weird wick. Okay. Second scenario is we trade into 50% of this range and then we take out the swing high. Okay, third scenario is we trade up to these 4-hour equal highs and then we dump off the face of the earth. And fourth scenario is we trade down to 50%, trade up to the swing high, dump, trade down to 50%, trade up to the equal high, dump, straight trade up to the equal high and then dump, trade up to the swing high and then dump. So we have a few scenarios here that could make sense. Let me just delete all of that stuff. Okay, so we have a few scenarios here. Right now I am just waiting for market to open. Okay, I would like to see this. This would be my favorite trade if we get it. We can get a nice, we could long this 50% into that swing high. That would be really nice. So yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna wait. It is currently 9:27. Yo, yo, yo. You guys hear me? Okay, bet. All right, guys. Happy Tuesday. So hopefully you guys all saw my drawn liquidity stuff. I'm either looking for this, right? Looking for this, right? Looking for this, looking for this, right? Those are the scenarios. Okay? All right, and I have this short-term low marked, and then I have weird wick 1, and then weird wick 2, and then swing high, and then this 4-hour equal highs right here inside of this fair value gap. Yeah, we're just waiting here. Market opens in 2 minutes. Okay. If we can get this trade, that would be beautiful. All right. I would love for market to open, us to dump into this gap, and then we take the trade up to the swing high. That would be phenomenal. So yeah, those are the outcomes. Everybody understand? Just sit here and wait. Oh, no, no. Okay, market just open. If we take out this swing high before we trade back in here, I will obviously be looking for shorts. So let's just see what happens here. Screen's gone. Why is screen gone? Fixed. You guys see? Okay. Bet. This looks like a nice day. Hopefully we catch something nice today. Or catch something at all. Bro, I've placed one trade in the past 2 weeks. Like, give me something. You have news today? No, we have no news today. We have a ton of news the rest of the day, the rest of the week. I mean, there we go. Let's see. We are like 30 points away from sweeping this high. So let's see where okay, so if we sweep this high on the NASDAQ, we will have some nice SMT because this high is pretty far away on ES. ES and the NASDAQ have been super uncorrelated recently. It's like every day. It's like every day they're like uncorrelated. It's weird. Very weird. This would be so beautiful. Be so beautiful. Okay, we're about to sweep. About to sweep. Again, like if we push up, if we sweep this high and we pump, these 4 hour equal highs look like a Look like a solid place for price to be drawn towards. But I honestly don't want that at all. So, see, this might take a minute to build some structure. These 4-hour highs? Yeah, they are relative, actually. Doesn't matter though. Still nice. All right, we just swept that high. Um, Ton of SMT here. This could be a nice place for price to also reverse from off of this high. We got time. It's still so early. But this is what I like to see. Like, it's a good price action. We're like taking out objectives and moving with speed. ES hasn't even swept this high yet. I just ordered a bunch of Iman Gadzhi clothes from J. Crew. See if we leave that on ES. See if we leave that high. How many points is this stop? This is a fat stop, 73 points. We have this S&T here. We have the SMT, like this could be really nice. Hmm. If we inverse this 2 minute, I'll take this short, even though there's more than one fair value gap in the leg. It's because I have so much conviction in this, and we have beautiful SMT right there. And this is a beautiful inversion on ES. But we'll see. Looks something like this, and then TP would go short-term low or London low. And like partial there. Let's see. Also, if we resweep this and make a new high, that would be even better. See if the 950 macro comes in clutch here. see. No, I'm not a machinist. Working on these alpha 100K zero accounts. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to get inversed before I short. If if we make a new high here, if we put in a new high and put in SMT and we get like an inversion, like a single fair value gap inversion, I'll take that and then I would go break even at this low. That's what I would take. Let's see. Yeah, I have it marked out. I'm seeing some names in here that I haven't seen in a while. Where have you guys been? Like Case, bro. I have not seen you in like it's been like 3 months. Philip as well. Colin Flippers as well. A lot of you guys I haven't seen in so long. I don't know where you guys have been. Yo, TBK, get off, bro. Get off the charts. You're emotional, bro. I know you, and I know tendencies. Right, bro. Whatever. Whatever you say. Just last time you said some shit like that, and I pointed it out, you took 4 trades on a no trading day. Dude, you took 4. So, no, we haven't taken anything. Oh my God, Brayden, that's so fucking annoying, bro. That's so annoying, Brayden. Yeah, the worst rule ever, bro. Okay, a nice pump up here, resweep the high inversion would be beautiful. Let's see. Like the thing is that this might be a protected high since there's SMT. So I might just be stuck. We might literally just be stuck here. Oh my God, look at the 3 minute. Look at that 3 minute. What the hell? See if we can resweep. I would love a resweep right now. Leave a fair value gap behind. No. Oh, holy displacement. More SMT. If we take this 5 minute inversion, like I can't put my stop up here. It's 88 points. See if we inverse this 4 hour. We have 4 minutes. So see what this 5 minute candle does. If this 5 minute candle closes, if this 5 minute candle closes below, or yeah, closes below this 4 hour fair value gap, then I have so much conviction in shorts. But if it closes above, then I will happily long up to this 4 hour, these 4 hour equal highs. Happily long up to that if we inverse this 4 hour. So let's see. Got like 2 minutes till 10 a.m., 3 minutes. I'm chilling, bro. Chilling, chilling, chilling. How about you? How about you, Alito? Miss you too, bro. Fire. Yeah, I've heard they're super good. It's actually a solid long, the bullish SMT here. I'd like to wait for confirmation though. It's 5 minute closes in 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, this bearish SMT is really weird. I would still long though because this 4 hour fair value gap is getting inversed. I think a long off of this 15-minute gap would be beautiful. So just so everyone is aware, okay, I was looking for shorts because we have this bearish SMT at the swing high, right? We also have not inversed this bearish daily gap yet, so shorts looked probable to me, especially like with all this liquidity below. But initially, right, my other thesis was that we come up and sweep these 4 hour highs. So these relative equal highs right here. So since price is inversing this bearish gap, right? That is a higher time frame bullish narrative. Okay, now my bias is switching from short to long, right? This candle's about to close, and we have inversed this 4 hour bearish gap. So now what I'm looking for is a long from this new 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, I want a long from here to this equal high. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for, and my short thesis is now out the window. If you take a look at my draw on liquidity that I posted, for everyone on YouTube, if you just rewatch the beginning of this video, you'll see the multiple different scenarios that I have played out. So this is one of them. Yeah, let's see if we tap in to this 15-minute and we can long up to those equal highs. But we could also long off of is this 5-minute order block, which I would kind of prefer. The reason why is because we delivered out of this 5-minute bullish gap, right? We tapped into it, and we have a 1-minute inversion right here, right? And we also have this bullish SMT. Okay, so this low is protected, right? So I would like a retracement into this 5-minute order block, and then you could catch a nice um, long out of there. Kind of unfortunate though. Like price has been running without us this morning. But we'll see. A lot of conviction in these longs. Let's see. We have a lot of stacked PD arrays as well. We have that 5-minute order block. We have this 3-minute fair value gap, right? So let's see if we can get an entry. And I'll only enter this if price comes and taps this order block. I'm not touching like a 1-minute continuation. I'm not touching any of that. Only other option would be if this 3-minute leaves behind a fair value gap. I'll take a long out of that as well. Two-minute is getting respected, obviously, but there's no entry out of there. Patience, guys, patience. Patience, patience, patience is the name of the game. Okay, so this 3-minute is here. Okay. I like that. If we get some sort of pullback into that 3-minute, happily take that. AES took that low. No inversion here. Just frustrating. Let's see if when this 5-minute closes, let's see if we pull back into this 5-minute. Take an entry out of that. Oh, why didn't I take the M1 for value gap long? It was beautiful, but that 4-hour wasn't inversed yet, so I didn't want to long. I didn't want to long until that 4-hour was 100% inversed. So. Three, two, one. Okay. Let's see if we get a pullback into this 5-minute. Would love to resweep this low. Would be beautiful. Okay, we pulled into that 5-minute. We have SMT. Inversion. There we go. Yeah, we also pulled into this 3-minute as well. So let's see if price wants to give us an inversion here. If we get this inversion, okay, we can ride this up to 4-hour equal highs right there. And if we dump, If we dump even more, we got so much wiggle room. We got this 5-minute order block that we just tapped into as well. Right, and we got this 5-minute fair value gap as well. Okay, so let's see. I hope price leaves behind this 10 seconds. We have so many PD rays stacked, as you guys can see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if we get an inversion here. I would like to see some displacement. Let's see again, guys. Our SMT is here, right? We have SMT at the bottom of the range right there. So that's the SMT that we're using for this trade. So let's see if we come up and get this inversion. Okay, once price inverses this, I'm in. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, did not inverse it yet. Let's just wait. Forty seconds. 40. Okay, we have some SMT now. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is frustrating. Again, guys, waiting for this candle closure here. Waiting patiently. Okay, guys. This is my break even, by the way. So first internal swing high. This is my break even. Once I get in. 5, 4, 3, 2. There. That was an inversion right there. I'm in this. Okay. TP is at this high. Going break even at this swing high. Okay. It did inverse. What do you mean? What are you talking about? It did inverse. What are you yapping about? No inverse. Braden, get your ass back to work. Aren't you at work? Man, get your ass back to work. Looks like we could get stopped here, ladies and gentlemen. Waited all morning for this? For this? Let's see. See what happens. Really don't like fading this fucking 4-hour bearish SMT. Oh, oh well. Oi, oi, oi. Not 1 second of profit did we see. Not 1 second of profit. Jesus Christ. Oh, edge our stop. Let's see if we get stopped here. Looks like we might. Yeah, we're definitely getting stopped here. Defo getting stopped here. Just 1000% sure. I was so confident in this trade too. Maybe I'm wrong about my bias. Okay, so we have this daily bearish, or this hourly bearish gap. Okay, we also have this 4-hour bearish gap. Okay, we also have this 4-hour bearish SMT. Hmm. Guys, low key, if we get stopped out of this, like, if we get stopped out of this, I might try a 5-minute inversion short, like dead ass, because hmm. Okay, yeah, if we get stopped here, just resweep the high so I can go break even. Por favor. I low key like might go break even here. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here. Because I think these shorts like kind of look better. Not even gonna lie to you. Give me the BE. Give me the BE. Give me the BE. Give me the break even, man. Okay, I'm break even. Break even right here, folks. What a fucking trade. Huh? Okay. So I was break even right there. Okay. We inverse this 5-minute. I'm loving shorts, dude. I'm loving it. No, 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 that's good. I'm fine. I'm literally so fine with that. So this 5 minute looks fucking like actually gorgeous. Um, you guys saw that like that switching of bias in real time, right? You saw that? You saw how I didn't marry my bias, right? I saw that we were rejecting, so I immediately started looking for those PD rays. Okay, so let's see if we get this 5 minute inversion. If we get this inversion, I'll take this fucking all the way to London lows. Actually, no, I won't. I won't. Take it to that low. Eh, take it to AM lows. Two minutes. 2 minutes here. Let's see if we get this entry. I made $1.56 from that first trade. I made a dollar. Literally $1.56. Oh. Okay, let's see. Got a minute 20. Do not fucking dump without us. W trade TBK, you made $7. W fucking trade. What's this range? Jesus fucking Christ. Dude, don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Oh, this 2 minute looks wonderful. I mean, it's the same thing. Don't don't be like that. Just give me a good entry. Give me like right here. Give me like 60-point stop. Come on. Give me a 2R. Give me a 2R trade, at least. Guys, size accordingly here. Size accordingly. Taking this to AM lows. Going break even at that first swing low. Okay? Okay, I'm break even. I'm break even here. Oh my God. I got stopped break even. Okay, so I'm gonna look for a re-entry. If we tap into this, if we tap into this 5 minute inversion up here, I'll look for a inversion short out of that inversion. You get me? Two break evens on the day, guys. Two break evens. If we just run to these AM lows, I'm off. I'm not trading. I'm off. Okay, the only entry I'm taking here is This inversion right here. If we retest this, it's the only entry I'm taking. I'd rather get break even and wait and be patient for a re-entry than fucking sit there and draw down for ages. So that's why I went break even. My entry was right here. Break even is first internal low. That's the first internal low, so that's my break even point. That's just how it is. Okay? I don't care how close it is. That's just the rule. You guys get that, right? Damn, I can't believe we've gotten broke, like we've broke even twice today. I'm up $15 on the day. We got a retest. Fuck, dude. There is a beautiful setup right here. Could have taken this M1, taken that down. Right there, that's a nice trade. Could have taken that. No, just the first account. Ivana. Sitting two break even on the day. TBK, what did you take? You haven't gotten break even yet? Uh, okay, so we have this 5-minute BPR right here. You guys see it? Inversion, or all you got? I'll look for shorts in there if we get an opportunity to go short in there. If we don't, if it gets to 11 and we're still chopping around, I'm getting off. APR is like this, right? This got inversed, and then we created a bearish fair value gap, and that same leg they're overlapped. Balanced price range. Let's see if we. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute. I'll happily take a continuation here. Got like 20 more minutes, and then I'm off. Nothing presents itself. Yeah, no, I think I'm off for the day as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna take anything here because like there's a case for both sides here. It's like we have a shit ton of bullish SMT, right? And we're inside of this 15-minute gap. Honestly, got this 3-minute inversion. I should get off. Oh, you're in that? Yeah, I don't know. I don't love anything right now, to be honest. Like taking a 3-minute inversion into a, oh wait, there's no 15-minute gap there. Into a 5-minute bearish gap just doesn't make sense to me. I locked myself up. Two break evens on the day. This looks nice. If this 5 minute inverses, this looks nice, but I'm off. I'm not trading this. I'm done. I'm done today. All right, guys. So two break evens on the day. Not the best day. Not the best day, but more opportunities for the rest of the week. So with that being said, subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Peace.